Well, Rhode Island's truck tolling program is making headlines once again. A federal appeals court has issued a decision upholding most of the program but eliminating toll caps. While state officials call this a victory for taxpayers, truck drivers say they're bearing the brunt of the cost. For truckers like Wendell, who drives for his family business, the court's decision hits close to home.
We're delivering stuff for you. Now we have to pay an extra toll just because you want your stuff? That's not fair to us.
Former Governor Gina Raimondo introduced the Roadworks program in 2016. The goal was to use toll money to fund bridge and road repairs and included a cap or limit on how much a trucker could be charged in a single day. The court ruled that part unconstitutional, but upheld the part that targets trucks as the primary source of wear and tear.
Yes, I understand that trucks are heavier. We're going through a lot more. But at the same time, there are a lot of drivers who don't obey the rules, unfortunately.
Peter, a trucker from West Warwick, agrees. He's frustrated with being singled out and skeptical about where the toll money is going.
But where's that money really going to go to? Look at our roads in Rhode Island. I mean, potholes everywhere.
Peter says the tolls could lead truckers like him to avoid the state altogether.
I will go through Connecticut, which means since I do oversize, they'll lose the money on the permits. Cheaper for my boss to go through Connecticut, and what's 20 minutes? When you drive 10 hours a day, what's 20 minutes?
State leaders, however, are celebrating the court's decision. In a statement to NBC 10, RI Attorney General Peter Nerona thanked the First Circuit Court for what he calls a well-reasoned decision in the case. Governor Dan McKee also praising the ruling, calling it a matter of great importance to residents and businesses across the state. But for Wendell, the tolls don't just impact his business, they threaten the future of his family's legacy.
Larger companies, they don't feel the brunt of these tolls or the brokers, penny pinching off of us. I love what I do. So the money's decent as well, but I love driving, so that's why I'm out here.
And toll gantries put up across the state have been turned off as the case made its way through the courts. Governor McKee tells NBC 10 he will be meeting with Speaker Shekarchi and Rhode Island Senate President to determine when the tolls will be turned back on.